Have you ever had news you were really excited about and wanted to put on the front page of your Joomla site, but you knew after a little while it wasn't going to be that exciting and you wished it would just disappear off the front? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 219 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, so if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, even if you're just stuck for a little bit, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla, and you'll get your first month free. All right, so let's turn our attention to the screen and we'll see this great feature, the start and finish featured feature. Okay, it's a mouthful. All right, so here is a very plain Joomla site, and I've added a couple of articles here. So for demonstration purpose, this article represents my static homepage content. It's just always going to be there, and regardless of what the news happens on the front page, it's just going to always be the welcome. So welcome to my homepage. Now I have an article here that says I'm getting a new dog in March. Don't worry, Susan, that's my wife. I'm not getting a new dog in March. But if I was getting a new dog in March, and this is February the 8th, and I wanted to post about it, I was super excited, I would want to put that on the front page. But eventually, I want that article to disappear. I don't want to unpublish it, because I still want it available in the history of the articles. That's great for SEO and for people following my dog story. I just want it to not be featured anymore. And you can do that in Joomla 4. In the back end of the Joomla 4 install here, we're going to go to Content and Articles. And you'll see, here's my article. I'm getting a new dog in March. When I go into here, we go to the Publishing tab. You'll probably see Content right away. Go to Publishing and check this out. We have a Start Featured field and a Finish Featured field. Now this was not in Joomla 3. Here I can set a date where this article will be featured on the front page. It'll appear. And also I can set this date when it will no longer be featured. And as you'll see, on February the 25th at 0000, that's basically 12 a.m., this article will no longer appear on the front page. But I have no finished publishing. It's just going to take its place in the category along with the other articles. So for instance, on the home page, if we click on dogs, there we go, just the dog page. Now, let's suppose I'm getting this dog in March, but I also know that I want to write an article about some of the details closer to the event. So in the back end of the site, here's what I've done. I've created an article that says, I'm getting a dog in 2 days. And in that article, you'll see, here's the information, blah, 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 dog. But under publishing, I have it set to start publishing. It won't show up on the site until noon on February the 26th. And I have it set to be start featured at noon on February the 26th as well. So it's going to be a featured article on February the 26th. On March the 1st at 29 seconds into March the 1st, it's no longer going to be a featured article. So the effect will be my home page on the 26th, I'm getting a dog in March will no longer be featured on the front. It'll just appear in the blog and off the front page. And the new article that I'm getting a dog in 2 days, that will appear in the front page. I don't have to do anything, because I'm super excited about getting a new dog. So why would I log on and change all these things? Just set it and forget it. So that's a new great feature in Joomla 4. I hope that was helpful. A helpful tip for you. If it was, please subscribe, ring the bell, get new notifications, new things here in this stream, on this channel. I say this every time, and sometimes I'm so bad at it. Give the video a like. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.